Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will explore a fascinating topic: the things women notice first in men. Many men assume that to attract women, they need a Hollywood appearance, perfect body, or a massive bank account. However, that's not entirely true. Believe it or not, there are other, far more important things that can make you stand out and leave a lasting impression. These details might seem insignificant to you, but women pick up on them almost instantly. As soon as you enter a room, how you present yourself creates an indelible mark. Understanding what women notice first can be a game changer in your interactions. These small but significant details can spark powerful attraction, generate interest, and even evoke a desire to build a deeper connection. Today, we will discuss 12 key things that women notice right away. Some of these may surprise you, while others are well-known secrets that women often discuss amongst themselves. Make sure to watch until the very end because the final points on our list are the most important. And trust me, you don't want to miss them. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and like this video. Now, let's get started. Number 1, your face. Women notice your face almost immediately, especially if it's well-groomed. This doesn't mean you need to look like a celebrity, but keeping your face clean and neat says a lot about you. Neatly trimmed facial hair, well-maintained eyebrows, and cleanly styled hair can make a significant impact. Studies show that facial grooming is one of the key factors women consider when assessing a man's attractiveness. Details like this demonstrate self-care, a trait that reflects self-respect and confidence, two qualities that women find very appealing. Number 2, your ability to hold a conversation. A man's conversational skills can make or break an impression. Women are naturally drawn to men who can engage them in interesting discussions, showing intelligence, wit, and genuine curiosity. A great conversation not only showcases your intellect, but also reveals your sense of humor and confidence. Beyond that, being a good conversationalist demonstrates your ability to listen attentively and respond thoughtfully, traits that women find essential for building meaningful connections. A deeper connection starts with effective communication. So if you want to stand out, work on your conversational skills. Women find engaging and meaningful conversations incredibly attractive, and mastering this will keep her interest again and again. 3, your smile. A genuine smile is contagious and makes you instantly more approachable. This is one of the first things women notice because a smile reflects warmth and friendliness. A sincere, relaxed smile indicates that you are confident and comfortable in your own skin, qualities that women find irresistible. Smiling during conversations can ease tension, encourage openness, and even evoke feelings of a greater connection with her. Never underestimate the power of a well-timed smile. For your style and grooming, your appearance speaks volumes before you even say a word. Women quickly notice if you've put thought into your style and if you dress in a way that reflects confidence and self-respect. This doesn't mean you need to wear expensive designer clothes. Instead, focus on choosing outfits that fit well and reflect your personality. A man who dresses well shows that he values himself and understands the importance of presentation. 5, your personality and energy. Women are naturally drawn to men with an interesting personality. Contrary to the stereotype that all women are attracted to bad boys, most women prefer men who exude kindness mixed with a hint of mystery. A touch of unpredictability without rudeness makes you stand out. Courage and self-confidence are incredibly appealing because they show that you are comfortable in your role and unafraid to be yourself. 6, your behavior towards others. How you treat people, especially those who cannot offer you anything in return, speaks volumes about your character. Women often observe how you interact with service staff, children, and the elderly. Your respect, kindness, and empathy do not go unnoticed. Men who treat everyone with dignity and respect demonstrate emotional maturity, an irresistible trait in any relationship. 7, the tone of your voice. Your voice plays a more significant role in attraction than you might think. Women notice the tone you use when speaking. A voice that is too quiet may indicate insecurity, while a voice that is too loud can seem attention-seeking. An attractive voice is confident, balanced, and steady, making your presence more memorable and appealing. A steady tone conveys confidence and self-assurance. How you speak can either attract or repel, so finding the right balance shows composure and self-confidence. Your voice, when used correctly, becomes a powerful tool in creating lasting impressions. 8. Your attention to her. When a man makes a woman feel like she's the only person in the room, it changes everything. Being fully engaged in conversation and giving her your undivided attention leaves an unforgettable impact. Women value attentiveness and respect, which create deep impressions and foster stronger emotional connections. Paying attention shows that you are present and genuinely interested. 9. Your body language. Confident posture and open body language have a magnetic appeal. Women notice your stance, hand movements, and overall comfort in your own skin. Simple gestures, like standing tall with relaxed shoulders while maintaining eye contact, make you appear more approachable and composed. Confident body language indicates self-assuredness, a trait that women find undeniably attractive. 10. Your physical fitness and health. Women are naturally drawn to men who take care of their health. This doesn't mean you need a bodybuilder physique, but maintaining physical fitness and a healthy lifestyle is appealing. It reflects self-discipline, self-respect, and a commitment to longevity. An active lifestyle shows that you value your well-being, which can inspire and motivate women to connect with you on a deeper level. 11. Your scent. Smell is a powerful sense, and women notice your scent right away. A fresh, pleasant aroma can leave a lasting impression, often reflecting personal hygiene and attention to detail. Investing in a good cologne or maintaining a clean scent can take you far. Remember, scent has subconscious effects. It can evoke memories or emotions that enhance attraction and deepen connections. 12. Your hands. Women pay close attention to a man's hands, as they reveal a lot about him. Well-groomed hands show that you care about yourself and pay attention to details, reflecting confidence and neatness. Hands can hint at your profession, hobbies, or lifestyle, leaving impressions that speak louder than words. Interestingly, clean, well-kept hands signal hygiene and self-respect, while rough hands might suggest hard work and resilience. Women often find hands fascinating because they convey both strength and care, qualities that make a lasting impact. Masculinity is reflected in many ways, and women notice how you use your hands. Are your gestures expressive? Do you appear nervous or confident? Your hands can reveal a lot about your personality, so keeping them neat and presentable is essential. They should only convey positive things about you: confidence, cleanliness, and attention to detail. And there you have it, the 12 things women notice first about men. By paying attention to these small yet significant details, you'll not only boost your self-assurance but also leave a lasting impression. Women are naturally drawn to men who take care of themselves, project confidence, and present themselves well in various situations. Remember, it's the little things that make a big difference in how you're perceived. From your smile to your body language and even your scent, these aspects of your appearance and behavior play a crucial role in attraction. The way you present yourself in daily life leaves lasting impressions beyond your physical appearance. In a fast-paced world where first impressions matter, small details such as your smile, posture, tone of voice, and how you treat others play a significant role in building meaningful connections. This applies not only to romantic relationships but also to social and professional settings. People often judge character by observing subtle cues like body language, grooming, and communication skills. These aspects reflect self-confidence, self-respect, and empathy, qualities universally admired. To apply this in real life, start by focusing on self-care and personal presentation. Groom yourself regularly, dress appropriately, and practice good hygiene. Improve your communication by being present, listening actively, and engaging in thoughtful conversations. Additionally, work on your posture, maintain eye contact, and speak with a steady, confident tone. Pay attention to your interactions with others, Treat everyone with respect, regardless of their status. Remember, it's not about perfection. It's about authenticity. Mastering these habits will help you leave a positive impression wherever you go, opening doors to better relationships and greater opportunities in life. Confidence, respect, and attention to detail are timeless traits that never go unnoticed. If you found these tips helpful, give me a thumbs up in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more valuable insights. Make every first impression count. Shine on, stay confident, and continue improving yourself to leave an unforgettable impact wherever you go. See you in the next video.